Hello YouTube. So here are my chickens. So they've grown bigger, and all of these four have been laying eggs. The white one, the puffy, the silky, the white silky, she's not laying that good though. We have Mona there, which is that one. She's in Sears Malt. You could see. Okay, and we got new chicks over there. Over there. Okay. These ones are pretty cool. We have a Rhode Island egg, an Americana, a Barred Rock, and an Australorp, I think. The breeds are a little mixed up though. So I'll show you one. So that's it. They're free ranging pretty much now. Here, there they are. And then we got rid of the tree there. See our house. There's Hamburg. She's molting, which is golden penciled Hamburg there. This is our Barred Rock. She's just a little tired and stuff. She lays eggs every day good. That's really good. So, here's the coop my dad built off the design of the other coop, which we bought for 20 bucks on eBay. They're really loud right now. I do not know why. This is Mimi. She's grown. She's the oldest one. She's almost a year now. Pretty young still.
Let's get back to the chicks.
And those are the little chicks doing it. Oh, right there. We got new windows, just saying. And that is the one we hatched. Her brothers we had to give away because they were roosters, so yeah. And so
Just the orange one.
So that's our red star there. She's doing good. She's laying good eggs. And that's what matters. That's what counts. That's what keeps you on the property. So, this is the original coop we bought. Oh, we put this covering here because of rain. It's their first winter outside. So, last winter four of them were babies, and the rest of them weren't even live. So, yeah.
What was the first four?
First four was the white silky, the Mimi, which is our Rhode Island red, and Mona, and then our Japanese bantam, who's that little small one. So right here, that's the hatched one again that we hatched from Trader Joe's. And yeah, we've had a compost project we've been doing, and yeah, so things are going smoothly. Let's just get another picture of them over here. That's Rocky. Come over here. They are all over this place, and yeah. Let's zoom in here. And we saw a lot of rustling. They left. And yeah, so everything's going smoothly. And bye.